Hey, this is Paul with GameSearch-AI, and today I'm out here shed hunting in the swamps. This is normally where I'm at is normally actually underwater, but right now it's a beautiful day here, still with the water frozen. So yeah, I'm hoping to find some sheds that are floating on the snow. Right now, I'm actually at the southern end of the area that I'm trying to look at. Here you have GameSearch-AI's result for this place. GameSearch is an AI that basically does e-scouting for you, so it figures out potential hotspots. I've actually been here before. I really agree with this analysis here. You can see a large area at the bottom in the south of the land area where I've seen deer, and I've seen a lot of sign over there. It's fantastic to put that there. That's where I'm close to right now, is that bottom number one. And I'm gonna be headed east from where I am right now and hoping I can stay up on some land where there's some dry land where the deer would be walking. I'm actually gonna head up. I only have about 3 hours today, so I'm gonna try my hardest to head north and get over to spot 3 and spot 2. But we don't really know. I don't know if I'll have time for that because the snow's deep. I'm actually going through quite a bit. Spot 1, it chose it because there is a long linear edge where the swamp meets southern agriculture clearing. So the swamp meeting the agriculture, meaning that the deer could be sort of tucked into that thick swampy area, and then potentially they would be coming up into the field to feed, or just have an easier walk when they're going to different parts of the swamp. Spot 3 is an area that's closer to the road where it thinks that the deer are going to be potentially walking around and using it as a transition area. And spot number 2 is an area with a lot of water over there. There's a few like actual ponds, and the idea is that the ponds and between the ponds and like the agricultural edge over there, you're gonna have a lot of brush cover for the deer, and I've seen deer over there too. So yeah, this has been a really good analysis, and I'm excited to test it out. Oh my gosh, I've been looking for a raccoon den this whole winter. So this looks like a really beaten down trail here. Wonder where they go. Oh my. Look at the size of this hole. Keep going. And they all lead right up to this huge tree. Oh my gosh. You look real closely. It's black hair. I actually think this whole thing is a raccoon den. I don't know if they're currently in there. I haven't seen any. I think that where I've been hunting, there's not any big trees like this, so I've been looking for this the whole time, and I just didn't really have the resources where they'd be denning up in the winter to avoid the cold. And check this out. There's a bunch of entrance holes, and this tree is absolutely massive. Super exciting find. I think if I had come and hunted here earlier, I would have been successful here. Yeah, so honestly, I didn't expect like I would find something like this over here because I'm right next to a big swamp. If you look around, all this area is actually, in the summer, there's water everywhere. So you can get out here, but it's like 1.5 feet of water usually. So out here in the winter, the raccoons can walk on the ice, and I guess they can make things happen. So yeah, like GameSearch mentioned, I'm getting into a big travel corridor. This place is loaded with tracks. There's some beds around here too. It's starting to perk up for my attention on just where to look for these sheds. The snow here is so like gnarly. It's just like every step I'm going up to my knees, and so using tons of calories. But yeah, thank God I welcome the exercise. So yeah, let's see if we can find a shed around here. That would be awesome. Oh my gosh, look at the bed in there. That's awesome. Man, I'm in what looks like to be like perfect shed area. There's beds everywhere. There's a beautiful bed in there. I'm gonna go check. Oh, it's just ice. I got excited for a second just by the color of some ice over there. Right over this way, just a couple more beds. I've already looked in them. And that one. And right here. Yeah, this is, I don't know, it looks textbook, but you don't always get lucky. You gotta actually, they could be does bedded there, and I'm gonna keep kind of scouring this area, moving slow. I don't know if I'll get to all my spots. Oh my gosh, I have been continuing to find a lot of sign, but I'm actually finding other boot tracks too. I'm not alone out here. Just came up on these two beds, and yeah, some dude was here the other day, so I'm kind of believing that like I'm gonna get to some new spots where he didn't go anyway. So yeah, even though you got people to compete with out here, like just having options gives you a lot of power. So, well, this guy probably has killed a deer over here before. I respect the seat. That's what I think it is. Someone could have been dumping stuff, but I'm gonna assume that they're hunters, and this spot seems great. Yeah, good for them. Sitting on the ground. So I'm out here in this field, and I don't really think it's the best place for sheds, but I do think it's crucial for this property. I think the deer are walking through here, but I don't think they're bedding in the field. Yeah, I think the beds are like kind of on the edge of the swamp where it's where there's some land. But yeah, this is a beautiful day at the very least. Yeah, my next spot will be out towards that way, towards this wooded edge here, and kind of running low. I got about an hour until I really gotta head back to the car. So, all right, so I'm out way in the middle of the swamp now. Just got a call, so I'll be leaving a little bit early to get home and do something, but I'm on some dry land. My goal is to work this dry land over to the road, and hopefully I'll find a spot where the deer are crossing between high land areas around the swamp. I'll be just sort of scanning this area and then headed down the road towards my car. So I'll see if any sheds are around here or any good sign. Hey, so obviously I'm back home now. I did end up scanning closer to that road area, but I didn't see a ton of sign. I did see a bit more as I got closer to the road, and then I ended up kind of cutting a little bit. I had to rush home, so yeah, I didn't find any sheds today, but I'd like to go back to this area. Really want to check out the far north spot. That spot seems like it would be great, and so yeah, I'll be out there pretty much as soon as like a little bit of snow melts, and I have some time to go there. So yeah, thank you for checking out my shed hunting video. And if you want to try GameSearch-AI, go to GameSearch-AI.com. The link is down in the description. You can go and use the app for free one time, and then it's cheap to keep running. So yeah, thanks so much for watching.